Welcome to the Caribbean Hurricane Awareness Tour. We are privileged to have the guys from NOAA National Hurricane Center to visit with a hurricane hunter. This is one of the aircrafts that goes into the hurricane to gather data.
I think it's a historic moment for all of us. For you, the students, who I'm sure you're very curious as to what the hurricane hunter looks like on the inside, knowing the work that it does for us as regional people.
Hurricane Hunter aircraft that we're standing under is one of the flying squadrons that I command, and we are here today to educate and answer questions and kind of show you what we do.
I'm hoping out of this tour, this visit here in St. Lucia, that there will be even greater awareness of the role of the hurricane hunter, what happens at the National Hurricane Center and NOAA in terms of monitoring hurricanes and the weather in general throughout the region and generally the hemisphere.
One of our most important pieces of information that we give is the exact center of a storm.
The pressure that you see in the center of our eye comes from these instruments.
Thank you so much again for welcoming us.